Hello, this is Naveen Raju. Here I am going to present about Bajaj Electronics. Here Bajaj Electronics is a company that manufactures electrical equipment is called Bajaj Electricals Limited. It belongs to the Bajaj Group which created in 1926. For many years, consumers have relied on Bajaj brand of applicants. It has an adapting of fundamental rules to follow in order to perceive its reputation. And it's having an inspiring trust. Much company appreciates customers' trust. Bajaj Electronics Limited has partnered with a reputable brand all over the world to provide the best service. Here, the planning phase of the Bajaj Electronics. Here, our prediction states that the new system will increase market product growth. New customers will visit our stores and make purchases. The system description of the present issue or opportunities it will handle. The new method will give users easy access to pursuing things. And it also provides businesses with the chance to maintain revenue even during difficult times while avoiding losses. There are some different options in it. Uh, Three options should be provided for new system offlines, deliveries, postage stamps, and mail tubes. So here the description of the values that the system will add to the organization. So according to the projections, new system will grow products in market. Like for Bajaj Electronics, we recommend an online systems that sends all products directly from the warehouse to the consumers in order to continue doing business. And here they directly send to the warehouse to the customers even during difficult times. During the pandemic, develop effective and efficient methods for the delivering products to the consumers to improve the community access to the internet. Here, promoting the brand to inform consumers of the new system, such as the expanding social media and the long term boost revenue and sales, brand reputation, and explanation of how the product fits with the organization strategy. The new approach improves customer service and allows for corporate operation even in difficulty times. Here the project selection and management. Project description, scope and statement. Like as of in before slide, I have explained about the like during the COVID break as per regulations, people couldn't visit stores and buy products due to which company had to face revenue declination. Our prediction states that the new system will increase market product growth. New customers will visit our stores and make purchases. The system description of the present issue or opportunities it will handle. The new method will give users easy access for purchasing the things. It provides business with a chance to maintain revenue even during difficulty times while avoiding losses. Three options should be provided for new system offline deliveries, postage stamps, mails tubes. Here the requirements determinations. Requirements analysis techniques is used to the product should be delivered from the warehouse to the customers. And this can be analyzed by getting feedback. Customers mostly get problems with the payment quality and delivery timings. So as we can see, the products which get from the warehouse, the customers may face some problems during the delivery timings and the quality of the product. So our system will ensure fast delivery and a multiple payments option, easy return policy for the product quality issues. So there are some requirement techniques as we can see below. It's a web customer, owner, business analysis, system analytic, marketing manager, notes, questionnaire, etc. And we have some questions. Do you like our product quality? Is our customer service good? So how is the shopping experience with us? There they can give the answer. So here the use case analysis for the Bajaj Electronics, as we can see here in the picture. There will be a web customer service, sir, and register custom, new custom, managing custom information and product search, make purchase, display bill, make payment, review and confirmation, track, quality price quantity, and offer counts, payment methods. Here there are the people who process the process, authentication, order management, and management payments. So manage transactions. So in Bajaj Electronics, there are some people who process the information and they'll send products to the customers without facing any problem. Here the process modeling diagrams. Manage customers information, web customer, authentication service, website admins, manage transition, and manage payments. From like manage customer information will track the order details in the website and they'll sell the product to the customers. And there is a different order list on the different product. So each product have their own order list to deliver the product to the customers. Here there are some invoices for the managed transition and the managed payments. Here the data modeling, customers information. First of all, to purchase anything, the management will provide some information for the customers like mail ID, username, phone number, and address. And for login, they'll provide some login credentials like login ID and user password. Here the invoice, order ID, product name, customer ID, and payment ID. And these three processes should maintained by the customers. So by using this process, we can the Bajaj management can deliver products to their places. Like here the order details, product name, type, ID, batch number. So for every product, there would be a different batch number. And payments. So for the payment, then they should provide user ID, password, date, payment mode, and delivery ID, customer ID, date, and customer information. The next is architecture design. So for the architecture design, there are some different specializations like real-time collaboration is required for it, and lead time required must be estimated. At first, in the presentation layer, use validation of product to make necessary data. So for will here the Bajaj Electronics management will gather every customer details and deliver their products to their places. In the business, it processes the data that is gathered, and in data layer, it sends the data to the database, and after that, the all features will be designed and flexible. It should be a mobile friendly website. So the details of the product must be detailed clearly. Here, the data storage design for the Bajaj Electronics. So description of data design plan. First, we'll design the plan. So the data consists of all the information of product that are offered for the online purchases by Bajaj Electronics, and details of the vendors and sellers must be stored. Bajaj can use their sales data to monitor and extend sales. So frequently by providing advertisement to the particular market of customers. So the customers get to know there is a name called Bajaj Electronics, and they can open the website by using the link which we provide, and they can see all the products which we provide in that website. So making all the details of the website and getting the number of impressions to the page, so people will get to know that this website is popular and we can buy any product from this website. So creating the organic traffic to the site and customize the data according to the specific requirements. Here the description of ERD support system. So get in the detail of user, create the ID and a strong password to log in. So if the customers want to buy the product from the online, so they should need some credentials, their own credentials like ID, name, and user password. The mail and address of the user must be collected. Make the invoice of the product ID and customer ID. The product details of the specification must provided. So if the customer want to buy any product, so they should need the exact specifications, and the customer must have a tracking ID in order to track the shipped product. The system is secured to the given ID and password details. So admin can view and manage the reports of the product and the details of the customer. Here there are some implementations and transition plan. So the implementation is, the plan is, in Bajaj Electronics, the implementation of the e-commerce website gives the ability to sell the product online and improves the purchasing experience of the customer. So it requires main three steps, like whether the customer is satisfied with the experience, and the second one is maintaining the back end integration and promoting the product digitally. Here the next slide is going to be the transition plan. Creating the own platform or website for the promotions, making a third party also involved in order to promote sales. The third party website must be safe and more popular in order to promote. Make the right pricing of the product in the online market, like online store market must always be in update. Maintaining the inventory of the logistics, collecting all the details of the product based on the demand of offline, making the strategy of the product basing on the offline basic demands. So first of all here, uh, creating the own platform or website for the promotions. First we have to create the own platform or a website for promoting our website. So we'll involve the third parties also involved in order to promote the sales. Like third parties website must be a safe and more popular in order to promote, because there are the different third party apps. Some are having the malfunctions and some are good third party apps. So we are used to take the good third party apps for promoting our website, and make the right pricing for the product in the online market. So for every product there will be a specific price, so we'll give the price which is included and the best discounts also. So online store market must always be in update, because in these days, in these pandemic days, the online website marketing is like boom. It's very updating day to day life. In COVID pandemic time, people they cannot visit the stores, so most of the people will buy the products from the online. And here the maintaining the inventories of the logistics. So here the every product have their own inventory, and collecting all the details of the product based on the demands of offline. Here here we will collect all the details on the product on the demand of offline, and will make the strategies of the product based on the offline basic demand. These about my project presentation on Bajaj Electronics. Thank you so much.